Hello guys, hope that you're doing well and welcome to Learn IT with Jojo channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to backup and then restore a database in Mysql server. So let's do it. First, I will connect to my SQL server because I already have a database. cmd mysql -u root -p enter and I set my passwords. Okay, now I'm in my SQL server. I will show you all the database I have. Here, show databases, enter. So here you see I already have a database, Learn with Jojo. I will go in the database, use Learn IT with Jojo, enter. Now I am in the database, show tables. You see that actually in the database I have two tables. I will show you right now the content of each table. Select star from persons. In the person table, I have 3 persons. Select star from vehicles. So in this table, I have nothing. It means that the table is empty. Perfect. Now I will do a backup of this database. Okay, exit. I create a folder first. Dump. So this folder is where I will store my dump file or my backup file. Okay, cd dump. Perfect. To make a backup of the database, I will run this command: mysql dump -u root -p, the database name, learn it with Jojo, and then the backup file, learn it with Jojo .sql. I hit enter, then I put my password. Perfect. So I will check if the backup file is created. Yeah, so perfect. You see here, I already have the backup file of my database, Learn-IT with Jojo. Nice. Now I will back to my database and then I will delete the vehicle table, and then I will delete one person from the person table. Okay, mysql -u root -p, enter. I enter my password. Perfect. Show databases. Okay, use learn it with Jojo. Show tables, and now I will delete vehicles table. Drop table vehicles. Show tables. Perfect. You see, the vehicles table is gone. Now I will show the person table. Select staff home persons. Perhaps I will try to delete Michael. Delete persons. Delete from persons where first name equal Michael. Okay, enter. Select staff home persons, enter, and now you see Michael is already removed from the table. Okay, I will quit my SQL server. Now I need to restore my database. lie before with the dump file I already did. Okay. So to do this, it's very simple. I use the same command to log into database to do the action. So mysql -u root -p and then the name of database learn it which Jojo. The important thing here is we need to set the input. So my input will be my dump file. Learn it with jojo.sql. Okay, I hit enter. Enter my password as well. Oh, perfect. Done. So for me, the restore action is done. I will log in back to my SQL server and check if the restore is really done or not. Okay, mysql root u root p. I set my passwords. Okay, use learn it with Jojo. Enter show tables. Normally, we must have two tables. Okay, perfect. Now I have the person table and the vehicle table. Nice. I will show you the data on the items in the person table. Select it stuff from persons. Perfect. So Michael is back. Okay, I think I will finish my video here. Hope that this video is helpful to you. And please share, like, and subscribe my channel for more videos. And thank you so much, guys. And see you next time. Bye bye.